Hello everyone, good evening or good morning to when you see this video. I'm going to do an on-the-fly 3-day forecast for tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'm going to start with the temperatures. This starts at 21 degrees Sunday, so we don't want to really look at this. So temperatures drop off, not so much during the evening. Worcester should be about probably either side of 45. Pittsfield is going to be a little cooler, maybe about 40. Boston is going to be about 45, 46. Lawrence and Lowell is probably about 46. Springfield is probably going to be about 46, 47. So not a bad morning to start. Then temperatures skyrocket into the upper 50s, low 60s, depending on where you are. With southwest winds about 5 to 15 knots. These are what these wind bobs. These winds are in knots here. And as we can see here, we have a cold front with the circulation right here. So we have south winds here and west winds here. So we're going to have a low pressure system over our region. It's going to make us a pretty messy day for your Monday. But I will talk about that later. The cold front moves through, and as we can see, we are going to be dipping down to the low to mid 30s in the higher elevation, but the lower you are is going to be probably the mid to upper 30s. As you can see here, 40 along the coast, lower to mid 30s in the high elevations, and in the lower elevation here, it looks like it's going to be in the mid to upper 30s, as you can see, with this high definition NAM, but the NAM is not always correct, so I'm only using this as a baseline here. So we can expect low to mid 30s in the high elevations, the lower elevations mid to upper 30s and 40s along the coast and the islands, as you can see here. We warm up on Tuesday only in the looks like the high elevations only in the lower 40s, but in the lower elevations near 50, the warmest you are is the farther east inland. As you can see, 50s here, only 50 here, so it's going to be a very cool and breezy day with like probably 10 to 20 miles per hour gusts up to 30, 35, so it's going to be an okay but breezy day. Tuesday, it's going to get pretty cold again on your Wednesday. This model doesn't go far enough, but let's go to here. This is a low resolution model, but we can see that we're going to get pretty cold. This may be a little bit too aggressive, but I'm going to say about 32 or lower for the high elevations here. So it's going to be a chilly start on your Wednesday morning, and it's going to rise up a little bit warmer, as you can see here. Mid 50s to the east part of New England here. The high elevation still struggles to get to 50 degrees, though it's going to be probably 50 degrees is most of the word for Massachusetts here. It's going to be a nice day on Wednesday. We cool down again, but we don't cool down as much, and this goes right to 2 a.m. on Thursday, so that's as much as I want to go to that. And the next thing I want to do, which this thing is refusing to load for some reason. In the morning, we're going to have a brief period of some heavy isolated downpours, as we can see here, moving out throughout the region. Then we're going to have some scattered isolated thunderstorms forming in the afternoon and the evening. Then that front moves through and then brings down the cold air. And it looks like on Tuesday evening there might be a snow or rain shower coming from a little bit of disturbance over the Great Lakes, but that's pretty much all the rain that we need to worry about for your Tuesday here, if I get my keys correct. Oh, let's see. Oh, I see. I already was ahead of the game here. Gonna have pretty much mainly clear skies most of the night. By the morning you may see some sun in the eastern central part, but the western mass we're gonna be already in cloud. It's gonna be a pretty cloudy day with patchy sun during the afternoon in between the storms there. Then we clear out on Tuesday morning. It's gonna be a wonderful day Tuesday. You might see a few clouds from time to time, but mostly sunny skies should be the word for the most of the day. And then on Wednesday should be mostly sunny as well. So the only bad day we would need to go through is Monday, but Tuesday and Wednesday look fairly nice. Though it's going to be a little breezy, mostly sunny skies on average both Tuesday and Wednesday. But Tuesday's going to be a little cool. Wednesday warms up a tad bit, but still pretty cool. So that's my on the fly weather video for the next 3 days. Peace out, guys, and I don't know how regularly I'm going to do this right now. I just wanted to do it for a Sunday night upbeat